And that was it. And then we broke. Thank God it broke down next to her at Majestic. Yeah, isn't that cute? Here we go. We got the first customer of the day who wants his car defrosted for an oil change. Yeah, the fun stuff. This is the work environment that no one talks about in their business. You know what the worst part is? He could have been here Saturday when it wasn't snowing. Imagine if you worked at Jiffy Lube. So this is what I mean, we defrost people's cars. Could you imagine if I pulled my truck into your living room on a snow day and I defrosted it?
It wasn't very hot inside, and I sure pushed a lot of snow.
Yeah. These are the conditions that no one talks about in shop environment. People say, oh, you're complaining. No, we're not complaining. The job isn't you come to work and get soaked. You're not a plumber. You're not a pool guy. So then this thing will defrost in the shop within 20 minutes.